So as you saw what happened with the stock market today, right? The buyers are still holding the stock market up, aren't they? No matter how many times this selling period comes into the actual stock market, they're holding it up, right? They're not letting it go. They're not letting the sellers take control. Not like platinum or the Bitcoin and Ethereum, gold, silver, those sort of drops that happened just recently. Even some of the mining stocks, they actually had the big drop. But you're seeing right now, even in the stock market, right, the buyers are still holding this price up really strongly. So right now, when it comes to the actual the rotation of what's happening right now, you can see the stock market's holding up, and even that S&P, it's still holding around near that high. It's really, really interesting. I was actually expecting to see a big drop, but if the buyers keep holding here and we start to get that little bit of an extra bid over the next couple of days, possibly even through the rest of this week, we could be getting ready on the verge to having a really big move, because the S&P, no matter how many times the sellers come down, right? Sellers, even on NASDAQ, the sellers are really holding it up there. So on an overall view here, if the sellers cannot take control really quickly to get that drop, which a lot of people are expecting, and I'm sort of hoping for as well too, because it's going to be a good buying opportunity, we're probably going to see a rally. And once the NASDAQ gets above that 26,000 level, and for memory, and once the S&P starts to get above the 7,000 level, this compression that's been happening for the last 4 or 5 months is going to start to release this energy, and we could be getting ready for a big move.